Hello. Yo, good morning, good morning. I got to try to fix this lighting up in this phone. Good morning. I'm having problems with my light this morning. Let me fix it. Hold up. Okay, anyway. Good morning, everybody. So, good morning, y'all. So, a lot of y'all may know, I cannot get the lighting right. Y'all gonna have to tell me what I need to buy something to fix this lighting and I had to lighten up there right. This is horrible. Okay, there you go. So, anyway, a lot of y'all may know, and if y'all don't know, I am a credit repair agent and I am a It Works distributor. I do two different things. But yesterday I made a post and I tagged maybe like 5 or 6 people in the post, and the post has been blowing up. Like, I have so many inbox right now. I have a lot of people still commenting from yesterday. It is like crazy. It's crazy. So I am definitely responding to everybody. I am sorry if I have not yet responded back. I will get around to it after I'm done with this live. But I decided to go live about it and talk about it just a tad bit so that y'all can have a little information, so that when I start dropping the links and telling y'all different things, y'all kind of know what I'm talking about. But for the most of it, the company that I work with name is Financial Education Services. The company has been around since 2004, and we have a plus A rating with the Better Business Bureau, right? The company is debt-free, $0 It's a debt-free company. We don't only focus on credit repair. A lot of the different companies only focus on credit repair, and they have you in all these loan contracts and different things like that. But this company that I am working with is amazing. We have 14 different services. We have the credit restoration, we have the credit builder, we have the life lock, we have the financial lockbox, we have the will and trust, and along with a lot of other things that we offer along with credit repair. So it's 14 different services. You have online access to your account where you can look online and track everything that's going on your account. This light is crazy, y'all. Okay, you have online access to everything that's on your account, everything that's being done. One of the best parts about this company is that we dispute everything on your credit report. Everything will be disputed. We do not pick and choose what we dispute. Everything will be disputed. So the question is always, how long do it take? How long will it take to get things removed and my credit score goes up? Everybody's situation is different. Everybody's circumstances are different. Some people may have a lot of things they're working on trying to get off, and a lot of people may have small things. So it depends. But it always takes time to make some changes. So you definitely should give it at least 4 to 6 months. It can be less time, sometimes 45 to 90 days. It just depends on your situation. Once they send the dispute letters and you send them off, like when I started, they sent me my dispute letters maybe in 7 days, like 10 days I got mine. So on the papers it said that you should be expecting something in the mail saying what's what in 30 to 45 days. So that's just the first round, because I'm sure it's going to be a lot of rounds going on, because I have a lot of things on my credit report. So in 45 days I should be hearing something, and maybe some changes may be made. But everybody's situation is different, but you definitely want to give it some time. Not only that, see, I got all these inboxes, y'all. This is crazy. Okay, you should always give it time, because you don't want them to rush through it, and it's very, very professional. The dispute letters is amazing. You do not have to worry about anything. All you do is sign the dispute letter and send it off to all 3 credit bureaus. It is cool. It's the best thing ever. I didn't help my husband fix his credit, and I did it all myself. But to have somebody that write all of the letters out for you in the most professional way, and know exactly what they're dealing with, because they are professionals. They went to school for these things. They know exactly what they are doing. This company has disputed 1 million things off of credit reports. 1 million since 2004. That's a lot. So they definitely know what they're doing. Okay, so that's that. So it's $89 a month. Everybody, how much is it? How much is it? How much is it? I don't like giving prices because I want you to know exactly what I have to offer you. So when y'all inboxing me and I'm giving y'all information and y'all ask me how much, and I continue to talk to explain to you, I do that because I'm not being mean, I'm not being nasty. I just want to let y'all know I'm not being nasty by far. I don't want to give you a price yet until I let you know what I have to offer you. I want to let you know what it is. It's 14 different things. It's this. I want you to know. So you won't look at like $89, girl. That's just too much. Why would I pay $89 to get my credit repaired? It's bigger than that. So I definitely want you to know that before I tell you $89 a month. But since I have so many people right now, I have to say it right now on this live so that it can be up close and personal with y'all, that it is $89 a month for this protection plan. But it is 14 different services. Even though you get your credit repaired, you still want to build your credit. You still want to protect your identity. You still want to have a lot of other things going on that can help you reach the needs or the goals that you're trying to reach, and this company definitely can help you with that with 14 different services. So that's why I don't ever get prices through inbox. But it's $89 a month, and it's a $100 activation fee. It's $100 to activate your account, and it's $89 a month. So to get started with this program, it is $189 to get started. But I am waiving $50. I'm waiving $50 because I have so many different people that's reaching out to me, and I really want to get a lot of people started right now so I can focus on my own testimonies. I have some already plus my own, but I'm looking to have more testimonials. So I am waiving $50, so it's $138 to get started, and it's $89 a month. It's no contract. You can cancel whenever you feel like it. So that's the best part about it. So that is the protection part of this. So when my laugh, I said, hey y'all, I'm sorry, I didn't even slide this over. In my laugh, I said credit repair and credit agent. So it's $188 for y'all to get started, to get y'all credit repair, or either $138 depending on when you get started. I may have the promotion going on. I don't know. It just depends on the season. It depends on what's going on with the company, if they allow us to do it or not. But however, if you want to make some extra coins, you can make $100 every time you sign somebody to get their credit repair with this company. So if you sign 5 people today, or let's say today is Wednesday, between today and Saturday, if you sign 5 people, next Thursday you will have $500 in your account. So every week we get paid weekly from signing people up to get their credit repaired. So if you know a lot of people that need their credit repaired, you definitely want to hit me up. If you are, all these people inboxing me, oh my God. If you know a lot of people that want to get their credit repaired, you definitely want to inbox me. If you work at a car dealership, you definitely want to inbox me. If you are a realtor, you want to inbox me. If you up close in person with people on a day-to-day basis that need a credit repair for different things, especially houses, cars, and different things like that. Even jobs now is running your credit when you apply for certain jobs. So if your credit is not in order, you have to hit me up. So saying all that to say, you can make a nice amount of money doing this business. There's a lot of other things too we need to talk about, but I just told y'all rough drafts of everything because I have so many people hitting me up, and I just wanted to go live real quick. I didn't want to be long to explain a few things that people been asking me in the inbox. So the main question is, how long? It depends on your situation. We cannot say exactly how long it will take, but you definitely want to be you want to be patient as possible with it. How much it costs is $89 to get started. It's $100 activation fee. That's for the protection plan. It's 14 different services. Now a lot of people that want to join the business, they asking me like, how much is to start? Well, it's $288 to get started. $200 for your business and $88 for your services as well, because we get our credit repair as well. We use the services as well. So that's why it's $288 to get started. But like I said, you get you 5 people in 1 week, that's $500. You get your $300 right back. Not only that, when you get 5 people, your services is free every month. So you not paying $89 anymore. Yours is free. You don't have to worry about that anymore. All we do is enroll people on our website. It takes less than 5 minutes. Customer service does everything else. We do nothing but enroll them and let them know what we have to offer so they can understand what they're signing up for. That's basically it. So do y'all have any questions before I start inboxing everybody now with all of this mushy gushy information that I have to give everybody this morning? If you on this live and I have not yet reached out to you. I am coming right now. I will be reaching out to everybody in the next 15 minutes to basically explain what I just explained now. And I'm going to be sending websites so that before I talk to anybody, I like to give them the website so that they can look over everything, so that when I talk to them, they can have all the questions. This live was just only because it's so many people, and I want y'all to kind of pretty much, once we start talking, y'all kind of like be a little bit familiar with what I'm talking about. I had to do this, but I really didn't want to do it. I really didn't want to do it because I like to explain everything when I talk on the phone. So anybody got any questions about, okay, what's your question? Anybody got any questions about, hey y'all, anybody got questions about the credit repair program? I'm not calling credit repair, it's a protection program. Anybody have any questions about the protection program or making weekly income? Right now, speaking now, forever hold your peace. Anybody have any questions? If you're not comfortable with asking questions here, come over to my inbox. My phone is charging right now. My other phone is actually charging too. I have two phones because I need to make sure I get these things done. Definitely inbox me whatever question you may have. I already kind of like broke down some things right here, but I'm still coming over to talk to you guys personally about everything. So do anybody have any questions? Any questions, y'all? Any questions? Speak now or forever hold your peace. Hey y'all, good morning. Good morning, everybody. I see y'all coming on now. Good morning, everybody. Okay, ain't nobody asking no questions. I'm assuming everybody will come over to the inbox. Okay, y'all. Thanks for joining my live. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace and sticky hair grease.